everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I am so excited to share with you my latest cleaning hack that has been a lifesaver. This is Dovety 9-in-1 electric cleaning brush. If you're someone like me and love to clean every time but want to make it easy and efficient, this video is for you. Dovety multifunctional cleaning brush comes with 9 different attachments, each designed for specific cleaning tasks. If you're fighting tough bathroom stains, scrubbing the kitchen floor or the office floor, this brush is so efficient for all of that task. Let me show you how I use it to clean my bathroom. First, I'm going to set this up. It is pretty much easy to set up. And if you're not so clear on how to go about it, just look it up on the manual. The manual shows a step-by-step guide on how to get things rolling. Depending on your cleaning need, you can switch the attachment to scrub tough stains, wipe, or shine either bathroom walls or floors. Another amazing feature of this Dovety 9-in-1 electric brush is that you can charge it up and get it all set up to be used anytime or anywhere. And this is how I use it to clean my bathroom. The attachment I'm using is the cleaning pad. It is perfect for gentle cleaning bathroom walls. If you have tough bathroom stains that need to be taken off, you can switch it to any of the brushes and it will just take it off in no time. The link to purchasing this product is on the description of this video. This is one product you want to have. Thank you so much for watching and see you again next time.